Make room for Javi.
Over the last couple months, I've cleared a number of logs in the former Stump Island and cut down 5 or 6 diseased trees in order to make room for new growth. As a result, well, people tell me I have my work cut out for me, but cutting is exactly what I have to do now. Over the next 4 days, I decided to clear this entire area, the log staging area, by stacking the cut logs and piling the remaining branches for a future burn. And here it is. Did you hear the one about the lumberjack who got fired for cutting down too many trees? He saw too much. As the lumberjack starts his chainsaw, he hears the tree begin to cry. "Please, don't cut me down." The tree pleads, "I'll do anything." The lumberjack says, "Fine, if you can solve this impossible riddle that has fooled some of the greatest minds from doctors, writers, and philosophers, I'll spare you." The tree was stumped. A lumberjack went into a magical forest to cut down a tree. Just as he began to swing the axe, the tree called out, "Wait, I'm a talking tree." The lumberjack grinned, and you will, wait for it, dialogue. A man goes into an interview for a job as a lumberjack. "Do you have any work-related experience?" asked the interviewer. "Sure thing. I worked in the Sahara Forest in Africa for 2 years. "Sahara Forest? You mean the Sahara Desert, don't you?" "Well, sure. Now."